Okay. Zami energy. This thing left maybe for China. Ndiyibeke apha kum. So, hello my beautiful people. It's been a while. It's been like over 3 months since I've posted anything on YouTube. And reasons being, no excuses, but reasons being is that I've been preoccupied with IG. I've been posting a lot on Instagram, doing a lot of DIYs, and including some campaigns that I did for brands. So I really haven't had the time because I'm using one device, and I always find it a mission to record 2 different videos that I'm gonna post on YouTube and then having to post on Instagram. So with that being said, I'd like to welcome myself back onto YouTube, and I really hope that you still follow me on YouTube. And if you still are following me, thank you for waiting. It's been really a long time, but I'm very excited. I'm committed. I'm just gonna have fun. I'm gonna record however way that I feel recording. I'm not gonna be like putting myself under pressure to make sure that, you know, everything is like Netflix standard. So all I'm gonna do is actually have fun. I'm not gonna stress, and I don't want to be talking a lot. I'm just basically saying what I feel that I should be doing. I just want to have fun on my channel, and I want you guys to experience my personality and my DIYs that I create for you to enjoy, or maybe even recreate in your own spaces. I'm gonna share maybe some few clips of some DIYs that I've posted on Instagram while I was not on here, and some of those DIYs were actually very amazing. I loved them, but now I feel that I need to be here more often. And one of the reasons I feel like I want to change my channel a bit, I want to include like vlogs, just for you guys to get to know me much better. But the kind of vlogs that I want to create are the kind of vlogs that are related to basically home content, like maybe going thrifting with you, maybe upcycling things that I find from the junk. So that's basically the kind of vlogs that I want to include or introduce onto this channel. So I really hope that you guys would really like to see the process of me maybe going to a trash bin to find something that I can DIY, or maybe going to a thrift market, or maybe going window shopping to find inspiration, because not always we find inspiration from Pinterest. Sometimes we just find things, you know, at the stores, and we see that we cannot afford them. Therefore, this is why I'm here, to actually give you the options of getting things way cheaper than having to spend a lot of money for you to be able to have them, and at the same time sharing beautiful tips on how to make your space look and feel the way that you want it, especially if you are renting or you are a new homeowner or whatever. If you have a space that you feel that you want to make it your own, we can have conversations. You can follow me on Instagram at comfy_DIY, inbox me, send me a DM, whatever. I love to communicate with you guys. It gives me so much joy to know what you think about the projects that I create, and also the dilemmas of the spaces that you have. If you want to discuss that with me, you can just, you know, slide in the DMs. So with that being said, from now on I'm gonna start posting again on YouTube, probably once or twice a week depending on the content that I have. I'm so thankful to have you guys, 1,300 subscribers, and if you are new to this channel, it's your first time seeing this face, please make sure to subscribe, comment, like, and let me know if there are any DIYs that you'd like me to do. I'm really up for it. So with that being said, Brother Comfy is back.